Hi, welcome to Be Creative Clonmel. In this video I will show you how to create light drawing in photography using mobile phones. What is light drawing? Light painting, painting with light drawing, or light art performance photography are terms that describe photographic techniques of moving a light source while taking a long exposure photograph. To illuminate a subject or space, or to shine light at the camera to draw, or by moving the camera itself. Here is a demonstration of light drawing. Here are some examples of flashlight drawings. You must be in a dark room. Make some shapes with a torch. Once again, I used a tripod from my phone out of a coffee cup. Be creative by making shapes, numbers, letters, objects, flowers, and whatever you want. Here are some examples of sparkler or glow stick drawings. When you have enough pictures, pick your favorite image and make a collage out of it and put up on your wall. I hope you had fun with light drawing. Make sure to check out the rest of our tutorials. In the words of Henri Matisse, creativity takes courage, so don't give up. Imagination is more important than knowledge, famously said by Albert Einstein. From the Be Creative Clonmel team, be creative.